Well, it took longer than I thought it would, but the 1974 FMC 2900R is back on the road running, thanks to my mechanic Wayne, who took the rebuilt Chrysler 440 that I bought from my friend John Marconi, rebuilt by Orange Auto Engine Builders some time ago. He bought it out of an estate sale. This is going to be a quick video walk around. I've just taken it and gotten it a bath, and don't want to do too much too quickly, but I am going to take it camping locally this weekend. And I'm going to zoom in. Not going to open up the engine compartment, but you can hear the engine purring nicely. And we'll take a quick walk through. And here's what it looks like on the inside. My galley kitchen, the command seat, the adjustable couch, front bed, lots of storage capacity. And then looking back towards the back of the kitchen, you can see the recently replaced Dometic refrigerator. And when I bought it, everything worked fine. He had it hooked up to shore power. We'll do that tomorrow. Hard to believe this is 45 years old. And the chassis has 180 some odd thousand miles. Originally, these had an incinerating toilet that would incinerate the waste as you drove down the road. That is obviously not acceptable today. And then in the back, we've got twin beds with odd-sized mattresses. I'm going to see if I can cut my memory foam mattress that I have already, but if not, I've got to find one 35 inches wide for this side. This side, the bed's going to be removed. I'm going to install and vent a portable 14,000 BTU DeLonghi portable air conditioner that I have. And this will be my work area, primary work area. There's a desk there between the two beds that comes out, and I'm planning on having at least a 40-inch flat panel monitor, probably mounted right about here. I've got a in-period Techniques quadraphonic SA8000X receiver that's going to go there on the back shelf. And if anybody sees a TIAC A2340 7-inch reel-to-reel recorder, please let me know, because I'm looking for one. So take one last pass through the front. That table moves around, and I'm going to build another one so that when the captain's chair is turned 90 degrees clockwise, I'll have a nice prep area where I'll test recipes on the road for my upcoming cookbook. Cooking Like a Gourmet in a Tiny Space. A guide for cooking in an RV and a tiny home. So thanks everybody for bearing with me. I'll post this video as soon as I get home. And wish me luck. I think I'm going to need it. Thanks. Bye-bye.